Hi friends, today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020, and today we are going to be looking into our packet to review some addition and subtraction, and then we're going to move on to looking at addition problems and subtraction problems and really using your thinking brains so that you know how to go back and forth between addition and subtraction. Okay, so first we're going to start out and we're going to look at our homework will be on page 29, and that is what we're going to go over really quick. So I'm going to show it to you. All right, friends. So you should see a page that looks like this in your packet. Okay, so go ahead and grab it out, grab a pencil, and get ready to go. So we have some circles here. And we also have some problems. And if you notice in this problem, it has addition because Gus the plus. And in this one over here, 4 minus 4, that's minus the minus. So what you're going to be asked to do is you want to read the number sentence first. So 0 plus 4 equals, okay, well, if we look at this, we see that we start with 0. So you start with 0 Skittles and you get 4 more Skittles. So then what's the answer? Well, let's count it up. Let's use our brains and count it up. So let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's 4 circles that we have. All right, so now that we have those 4 circles, that is going to be our answer. And we're going to write the number 4. Okay, just like you did yesterday on page 28. It's the same thing. You're going to add and then you're going to subtract. So if they have X's on them, that means you're probably taking them away because we read 4 take away 4 equals something. Remember, the starting number is what we had at the beginning, and then we're taking away that many. We're taking away, so we start with 4 circles and then we take away 4. So we're going to cross out 4. And how many's left? Okay, you guys do it at home. I know you can do it. Use your fingers, use your number line, use pictures. This have pictures for you, okay? So whatever you need to help you solve the problem. All right, so now we are going to move on to talking more about addition and subtraction and how we can go back and forth and know, and our brains know, okay, we're going to addition now, we're going to subtraction. So I'm going to teach you how we can do that, okay? Okay, friends, so now that we have learned about what we were doing for homework, we are going to go ahead and figure out what we're doing today. So today we're going to get lots of problems, and there's going to be addition problems and subtraction problems. And we need to figure out how we solve them and use what we learned this week about Linus the minus, and then a couple weeks ago about Gus the plus, and when we know when we need to add and when we need to subtract, okay? So we have a lot of strategies that we can use. So I'm gonna show you, just review. So we saw these with Miss Canning and Miss Foster. So you have addition strategies where you are able to count on your fingers. You are able to draw a picture, which we love drawing pictures, a 10 frame, a number line, and count on in your head. For subtraction, you still have the same thing. You can use your fingers. You can draw a picture and cross it out. That's a different thing. With subtraction, you're going to cross it out. With addition, you're going to get more of that drawing. You're going to draw more. Okay, count back in your head, so count backwards. Number line is another strategy, and 10 frame, okay? So we remember those, and those were pretty, we worked really hard on them, and you guys did such a great job. So today, we're going to do some problems to show how we can add and how we can subtract, okay? All right, friends, so here is our anchor chart, and we have Gus the plus, and we have Linus the minus. Okay, so Gus the plus is telling us that we need to add. So another keyword would be plus, sum, all together and all. You may hear your teachers use those, okay? And then minus the minus, the keywords subtract, minus, take away. Our I can statements for today, what our goal is after this, we will be able to, so repeat after me, I can add within 10. Great. Our other I can statement is I can subtract within 10. Awesome, you guys are great. So I'm going to use pictures today. We're going to draw some pictures. So I'm going to give you a problem. So this problem is 5 minus 3. Okay, 5 minus 3. Well, minus the minus, we heard minus. So this is how we read it. 5 minus 3. Okay, 5 minus 3 equals something. So let's draw our picture. Well, in our equation, we always draw the number that we read first, so 5. So we're going to draw 5 stars. There we go, there's 5. All right, and then minus the minus says to take away 3. So we are going to do what? You're exactly right. We're going to take away. We're going to cross it out. So let's cross out 3. We're going to cross them out. 1, 2, 3. We cross out 3. How many do we have left? 1, 2. So our answer is 2. Awesome. You guys are great. So I'm going to give you another problem. It's going to be 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. Okay, 4 plus 3. All right, so 4 plus 3 would go over here because we hear plus equals what? Well, we need to figure that out. So 4 plus 3 equals, equals what? Okay, so 4, we're going to draw 4 pictures. So we're going to draw 4, I'm going to do hearts, 4 hearts. So we have 4 hearts, and Gus the plus says we get more. We get how many more? 3. We're going to draw 3 more. So 5, 1, 2, 3. So now we go back and we count all of them together. In all. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7. So we know that this answer is going to be 7. Awesome. So friends, today we got better at addition and subtraction. We got better at knowing when we add and when we subtract by looking at the problem. You guys are mathematicians and you are growing and stretching your brains, and I love how you're thinking. So remember, just keep working hard. Remember Gus the plus and Linus the minus, and they will help you remember when to add and when to subtract. I hope I will see you guys soon. I will see you guys on Tuesday, and I can't wait to see you. Keep working hard, and we will keep working on some addition and subtraction. Have a great weekend.